Welcome back to another video day. We got your refrigerators, man. So let's see what y'all put up in your fridge, man. First refrigerator. Is that a BB gun? Is that a milk carton with a face and a ski? What the hell? Bro, what the hell is this? Bro, this is not even a refrigerator. Bro, that's a microwave. Hey, are those glizzies on the bottom? This is pretty clean. I ain't gonna lie. You feel me? I won't be at your house, gang. I'm not gonna come over. Fight. Alright, I'm not going over this again, man. This is not you. Me personally, I know what King Russell looks like. He is a African American male. You know, light-skinned Coil Ray. Bro. Like, why are you ruining the video, dude? What are you sending me? Bro, you got Mario working on your refrigerator, dog? Bro, I'm not going to none of y'all houses. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, is you eating a piranha? I'm gonna need your address, gang. Who sent this? How much butter? Bro.
Shut the hell up! Shut up!
Ranking funniest kids crash out.
It's because you're sitting here arguing with me and you're making me mad, and I'm gonna send you to the office if you don't shut up!
Chillax, Edith! What did he do?
I'm not having every rehearsal like this because it will kill me.
Good.
Which of you said that?
Nah, saying that in a UK accent, bro, good. Like, I wouldn't even feel offended. Like, somebody said good like that, bro, I wouldn't feel any type of way, man. Honestly. What is going on? Is that a guy? Like Brock Lesnar. What the hell? She built like, bro. Alright, bro. Who sent me this, bro? Who sent me this? Hey, what is your problem? Hey, I'm straight. Listen to me, I'm straight.
A vacation.
From what? Recess? You've never worked a day in your
mama.
life. You don't pay taxes. You don't pay bills. Do you know how much fucking eggs are at the grocery store? No, you don't. Because you don't need a vacation. You're a fucking kid.
Nice job.
What is he so bad, bro? Bro definitely doesn't have kids.
How good you are.
No. They're just fucking spilling.
Bro, come on, dog. I ain't gonna lie. This is worse than some EDP shit. Like, bro, come on. Like, nigga, you need to stop. Like, you need to stop. Where's Jadion? Bro, these are literally kids, like 5-year-olds, bro.
Everywhere, okay? And who has to clean it up? You!
Who are your 3 favorite artists?
Roly Poly Guacamole, Tom Petty, and the Beatles.
Bro, who the fuck is Roly Poly Guacamole?
Alright, come on, gang. Nigga, like, even, bro, you know what I'm saying? He could have said Coco Melon. I ain't gonna lie. I'm mad with him. Like, bro could have said Coco Melon. What the fuck is a Roly Poly? Genuinely.
Bro, and the Beatles and Tom Petty? Yeah, fucking right, kid.
What's a caterpillar say?
No, it literally fucking doesn't.
Bro, ain't no way. This nigga need to get a job. Bro need to get a job, bro. Come on, dog. Like, this is... Bro, yo, keep this man away from daycares, fucking kindergartens. Keep him away from the schools.
Bro. Don't make any fucking noise because they don't have vocal cords. Why are you cheering? You literally saw the rock that you threw fall 2 feet in front of you while your dad fucking whipped that shit.
Bro, keep him away from schools. How Tiffany Stratton versus Charlotte Flair WrestleMania 41 about to go at this rate. Bro, what the fuck was that? Those 2 crackheads fighting?
Hood rat.
Thug name versus real name?
Nathaniel. What's your thug name?
Nathaniel.
Yo, trapping always clapping. Okay, what's your real name?
Stewart.
What's your thug name?
Oh! Ew! Like, why did they have to capture that on camera?
2 inches.
What's your real name?
Kennedy.
This one, no bueno. This one, I'm confident.
Pick a number from.
Oh, you say what's my thug name? Passionate Vance. What's my real name? Passionate Vance.
10. Really? Yes. 10. 10 seconds of pepper spray.
If you was in the
Oh, you're going to hell! You're going to hell! Bro, you gotta be the most freaking villainous human being to do this shit to a homeless man. You're burning in hell.
How would you win? Simple, easy. First game she come out and she's saying, Coco Massey, hey, what's up, my nigga?
Alexander's mom calls him the most perfect boy in the world.
She's right.
I love your confidence.
Whoa, what the fuck?
When diagnosed with cancer.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Oh, dude. This is easy peasy, bro. Look at me. Oh, bro, I can probably do this blindfolded. Okay, I'm ready, I guess.
Can you see anything?
No.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, okay.
You're doing it. You're
Dude,
That
this
nigga
is
car.
easy.
Shit.
John?
So that's how I get away with stealing my friend's shit.
Should you give up on your dreams?
65.
Why?
Wait, no, actually, 80.
80.
Wait, no, actually, don't give up on your dreams at all.
So, what's your final answer?
75.
Bro, doubling down like that is crazy. What the fuck? Yo, what the hell?
Yo, I just joked the band director. I got a brand new saxophone.
Top 3 songs of 2025. I hate that.
Si je veux l'avoir, est-ce qu'on suit autre chose je voudrais avoir? Solide, on reste la mâchoire. Oui, il faut le faire.
Bro, there's no way that's French, bro. That gotta be some type of Asian. Ranking best free will users.
Somebody's bird.
Like, what's the fucking point of that, bro? Like, you putting that bacteria on your fucking body on that dirty ass floor. Fucking thousands of people, millions of people step on. Like, what's the point, bro?
Birthday today.
Free Diddy challenge?
Who's gonna get a cake?
Excuse me, officer. You're under arrest.
Bro,
For
like,
being
how did
too
he
handsome.
miss?
Nah, but seriously, what's your badge number?
For being what?
What's your badge number? 3193. Good boy.
Nigga, I know your head hurt. I know your head hurt. You done went through the motherfucking door and hit the motherfucking ceiling, nigga. I know your head hurt. Look at this shit. You fucked his shit up.
I'll do it for you. Hawk!
Done broke his neck.
Can I do my thing?
Can you bless me with something?
Oh gosh.
Money-wise. Please.
Can you suck it?
What?
I mean,
Like right now, my girlfriend's cheating on me. On God.
Bro, should I sell it or keep it?
Hold on, actually. I gotta call my girlfriend. Yo, babe, you got some explaining to do.
Yo, she's busy right now.
What the f?
hell no! There is no way he actually thinks it sounds good. Bruh, it didn't sound bad. He on BS.
Okay,
Ranking the worst rap bar.
Then I go outside and
I didn't even know that, bro.
Bounce my ass in public. Bounce my ass up in the lunch.
Come on, man. Can we go to the next freestyle? Can we go to the next freestyle? Bro, is it just him the whole time?
Maybe this headband. From what I understand, your mama made you. What the fucking dodo?
I'm not watching anymore. Come back to school after a fight looking like this and swear up and down it was a tie. Bro, tell me why. I beat the brakes off of this dude, bro. I'm talking about went to school, feel me, stomped him, freaking punched him, all that, socked on him, all of that. You feel me? He had a skull on his face. Bro gonna come to school the next day talking about, I think it was a tie. Like, bro, who has the skull on their face? Because it's not fucking me. It's not fucking me. And shot after throwing shoe at Roach. Who the fuck shot him? Wait. Nigga, did the Roach shoot him?
Nigga that put money on his shirt.
I'm hurting after that one. What'd he say?
Any nigga that put money on his shirt, know their ass.
Bro, I used to pay so much money on PS4 controllers. We up to a PS5, they want at least $199. You feel me? Diddy mentor strikes once again.
With this juicy, bro.
Alright, bro. In my pocket and someone started looking at me, so I play it off like I wasn't doing. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Ain't nobody never look at me. I do it so smooth. I start from the back. Alright, never mind. You gotta. Bro, I seen this live. Why did he run like this? Bro, why did he run like this, bro? Bro, they would have damn near already caught his ass, bro. Bro, but he already looking. Bro, y'all too horny, bro. How I look at the McDonald's worker after yelling blaze rod, then lighting my... You already know what I'm about to do, gang. We done talked about this shit, man. You're averaging at least 5 blocks per game. Gang, like this shit is outrageous.
Okay, let's go. Who the
fuck
trying to nut in my butt?
Oh, what the fuck? Is that James Charles?
You ain't gotta check him up.
Ranking the best perfectly cut meme. Slam dunk. Ooh, that was perfect. That was perfect. That was perfect.
I'm about to bomb this whole motherfucking plane.
Hola, hola, bien blanca. Hola, bien blanca y hermana. Y hermana. Es hermana hermosa. Sí. Muy bien.
In your head.
Damn.
I'm about to bomb this whole motherfucking plane. Try it on your head.
Would have been off that play quick.
Dude, give me that thing. Give me that stick.
Nice and soft. Ready? Stand a little bit closer.
Here you go.
Man, he ain't died at least. How do you get crossed that bad? Bro, that's so old. What is bro eating? Get the fuck out of here, dog. Get the fuck out of here. There's no way he just cleaned a fucking pterodactyl's head and neck. There's no fucking way, bro. Nigga cleared a baby pterodactyl, bro. What the fuck? Bro, what am I looking at, bro? Scariest reels. Employment center.